Hello, science explorers! Today, we are going on an adventure, but not just any adventure. We're going to follow a plastic bottle. Let's meet our guides. First, there's Tom, a super curious boy. And with him is Mia, a brave girl ready to take action. Tom is holding a clear plastic bottle of cool water. He's just finished playing soccer. After a big, long gulp, the bottle is empty. Now here comes the big question. Where will the bottle go now? An empty bottle doesn't disappear. It has to go somewhere. Its journey is just beginning, and it depends on our choices. Tom spots the little triangle with a number, the recycling symbol. That code tells us what kind of plastic it is and how it can be given a new life. But if it's tossed aside, it can end up where it doesn't belong, like a storm drain. Tom and Mia decide to follow the bottle step by step. Are you ready? Let's go explore. The first stop on our bottle's journey is the bin. One for trash and one for recycling. If the bottle goes into recycling, it gets a ticket to a new life. A big, noisy truck picks it up and takes it to a materials recovery facility. There, workers and amazing machines sort plastic, paper, and metal. Our bottle is cleaned, crushed into a bale, melted down and reformed into new products. It could become a fleece jacket, or even another bottle. But if the bin is overflowing, a gust of wind can send the bottle tumbling away. It bounces along, rolls into a gutter, and disappears down a storm drain. Many storm drains send rainwater straight to streams and rivers. Our runaway bottle has entered a hidden highway of water. It drifts along for days or weeks, snagging and freeing, always moving downstream. Now it's part of the river's flow, plastic pollution on a long, unintentional trip to the sea. The small creek eventually joins a larger river. Now the current is stronger and faster, a water superhighway. The bottle travels for miles and miles, floating with leaves, twigs, and other pieces of trash. It passes through cities and countryside. A silent traveler. Designed to be strong, it doesn't break down or sink. It just keeps floating. The river meets the sea. Fresh water mixes with salt water, and the bottle is swept into a vast blue world. It is now marine debris. Waves lift it. Currents pull it farther from shore. It might join giant patches of floating trash in huge ocean gyres, thousands of miles from Tom and Mia's park. Lost and forgotten. But its story isn't over. To a sea turtle, a floating bottle can look like a jellyfish, a favorite food. If animals try to eat or get trapped by plastic, it can make them very sick. The ocean is powerful. Waves relentlessly batter the bottle. Sunlight slowly weakens the plastic. Over hundreds of years, plastic doesn't biodegrade like a banana peel. It breaks into smaller pieces, then tiny microfragments. This is called photodegradation. Microplastics, smaller than a grain of rice, spread through the water, from the sunny surface to the dark abyss. Plankton swallow microplastics. Small fish swallow microplastics. They're at the base of the food web, so plastic moves up the chain. Biomagnification. A small fish has 10 pieces. A bigger fish eats many small fish. Now one fish holds 100 pieces. Plastic concentrates in animals higher up the chain, tuna, dolphins, seals, causing health problems. It impacts us too. When we eat seafood that ate microplastics, those particles can end up in our bodies. After learning about the bottle's journey, Tom and Mia feel determined. They create a simple 3-step plan any kid can follow. First, reuse. They get their own reusable bottles and refill them again and again. This reduces the number of single-use bottles made. They decorate their bottles to make them their own. Second, recycle right. Check the numbers, empty and clean, and use the correct bin. They make a reminder poster for home. Third, pick it up. Safely put litter in proper bins wherever they are. Every bottle they pick up is one less headed for the sea. These actions protect local wildlife and habitats. You can do this too. Start today. Use a bottle again, recycle it right, and pick up litter. Together, we can keep our oceans blue.